Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a classic design challenge, creating perfect-looking knots in Inkscape. If you have ever struggled with manually cutting paths to make them weave over and under each other, this tutorial will change your workflow forever. We will be using the powerful knots path effect to generate professional, clean results in just a few clicks. Before we start, if you find this guide helpful, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional graphic design tutorials. Let us jump right into the workspace. First, grab your Bezier tool by pressing B or the pencil tool by pressing P on your keyboard. Draw a path that overlaps itself, such as a loop or a figure eight. Once you have your basic shape, it is time to set up the stroke. Open your Fill and Stroke panel by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Set the stroke width to a nice thick value so the weaving effect is clearly visible. If you are starting with a shape rather than a path, remember to convert it by going to Path and selecting Object to Path, or simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Now for the magic part. Go up to the Path menu and select Path Effects to open the Effects sidebar. Click the plus button to add a new effect and search for the one labeled Knot. Click Add to apply it to your selected stroke. You will immediately see the effect take place. Switch over to your node tool by pressing N. You will notice new handles or diamond icons appearing at every point where your path crosses itself. This is your control center. Simply click one of these handles to toggle between segments. This defines exactly which part of the path is on top and which part is underneath, essentially weaving your knot instantly. If you need to make adjustments, you can head back to the Path Effects panel. Here, you can tweak the gap length value. This allows you to increase or decrease the visual break between the lines to get that perfect aesthetic. If you have a complex project, look for the signer or switcher options in the panel, as these allow you to flip all your intersections at once, saving you tons of time. One of the best things about using this method is that it is entirely non-destructive. You can continue to grab your nodes with the node tool, move them around the canvas, and rearrange your path. The intersections will update automatically in real time to follow your new shape. Keep in mind that this effect works best when your path has a consistent stroke width throughout. Also, if you want your knot to be transparent, make sure you are working with strokes. Do not convert the strokes to paths until you are absolutely sure you are done, because once you convert them, the gaps become permanent empty spaces. Using this technique is the most efficient way to handle complex geometry, avoiding the tedious manual work of cutting and joining your designs. Experiment with different stroke styles and loop patterns to see how creative you can get. If this video helped you conquer your knot design struggles, show your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.